Hello, keyword static, and this is the fourth round of coverage because still there are a few more things which has to be shown. Now, just a simple revision this time once again. Static keyword makes member data or method common to all the objects. So they are single copy and that single copy can be accessed by all the objects, but the objects cannot make a private copy of them. So they are shared by all the objects. So if any one of them changes it, then the changes for all the objects. Anyone else seeing it will be able to see the modified value. Now what I'm going to show here is in this round, I will show you that even in BlueJ, this is basically BlueJ oriented explanation. BlueJ provides quite a few platform oriented help, and there we can see this project window on top of right side. In this project window, this yellow color rectangular is the encapsulated representation of the class, and I can make objects. But when it is a static element, then the object is not allowed to access the methods which are static. Here what I am going to show you is for the main, which is made static now. Look at the program. In this program you will find the rest all is the same as the previous example, and I'm just for your comfort I'm showing the full program to you once more. So school 4 is the name of the class. There are static member data, school name, board name, the date of the annual exam which is starting with 15th March 2012, and the ISC or the board exam dates are 10th February 2012. There is a constructor which is assigning values to the members of school name and board name, and one experiment that I have done here to show you how the constructor is affecting all the member data is I'm going on increasing the annual exams annual year by 1 each time the constructor or each time an object is made. So any object is made and this data gets changed. So any other object or any time this data is accessed, the last modified value only comes. The special copy does not come. So all of them get to see the same value in AN here also. Display is also static. Here what am I going to mention specifically is if the main is static and inside the main any object is created, then that object can access the method display which is static. The static method display is accessible through this main because the main is static. Okay, so here when I will run this program, what you will see, just verify the output matches your expectations or not. Just a reminder, the dates are just to show you the dates just once before I execute it. It is a review. Here comes the date, 15th March 2012 and 10th February 2012. Okay, so I come down to this place, I come down to the object, and I'm not making any copy out on the window. I'm just calling the main so that the object which has been made inside the main, which is named S1 and S2, they get a chance to get displayed. So I will click on main. See the output and tell me, do you understand what's going on? Object S41 means S4's first object, which is coming from this statement, right? That one's display is causing the value 2012 has got modified to 2013. NSD and CU is coming from the constructor. Now you see the second round of display, there is no object. It is directly calling the method from the class name, right? So what can you say? Object is calling the method, that is good, but the class is also calling the method, that is preceded by this output statement. Line 1, no object. So that is line 1, no object. So what are the member data? The same, because the data are static and are being shared. And here the modified value is staying on because 2012 got modified when the object was made. Now you see one more object is made here. Can you see the second object S2? When the second object is made, the member data has been modified, and that annual exam was getting incremented by 1. You see 2013 became 2014. And once more, notice here that you don't have an object for the second method call of display. This display is getting called directly through the object, the class without the object, right? So this is making the second output statement also giving you the modified value or the last value of the data. So only focus here is to stress on that the data which is static, if any one of them modifies, all of them get the modified result only. Okay.